mellow, a little slower. This song is called No Woman No Cry by Bob Marley. And I want you all to sing the chorus with me, okay? No woman, no cry part, okay? Okay, this is our night. This is not my night. This is our night, okay? Sing with me. No woman, no cry. Yeah. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. No. I remember when we used to sit in a government yard in Trenchtown. All of us serving hypocrites. They would mingle with the good people we meet. Good friends we have, oh, good friends we lost along the way. In this great future, you can't forget your past. So dry your tears, I say, and no woman no cry. Hey. No. Louder. Come here, sister, don't shed no tears. No. Say, I remember when we used to sit in a government yard in Trenchtown. And then Georgie would make a firelight as it was. Love would burn through the night. My feet is my only carry. while you're gone, everything's gonna be alright. 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 No woman. No, no woman, no woman. One more time. Come on, sing it. No woman, no cry. Oh, my Thank you so much. That was so much fun. Thank you. Thank you. The next song, I'm sure almost everyone in this arena knows this song. So, once again, join me, okay? Will you join me? Will you join me? Yes, this makes it more fun. Thank you so much. life still goes on, but I can't get used to living without you by my side. I don't wanna live alone. God knows I've got to make it on my own. So baby, can't you see? Oh, I want to break free. 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 God knows I want to. God knows I want to. God knows I want to break free. Mr. Robson Harumum on drums, everyone! How was it, guys? Did you like it? Are you ready for more? I'm not done. I want to sing more for you. Care to join me again? Care to join me again? That's what I'm talking about. Hello, check, hello, check. This song is a song that I wrote many moons ago. Yes, this song is called Gypsy Chick. I think you'll find it on YouTube also, so yeah, you care to check it out. Tired of being a gypsy and slurring on drum road. Oh, then it's too hard a man who's ever so, yeah. A man who will touch my soul. This one needs a brand new one, so wait for you ride and shoot for stars. Tired of being a gypsy, lost and nowhere to go. Searching for a time to write my hands with a man. Who will fill this emptiness in my soul? This woman needs a brand new one, so wait for you run and shoot for the stars. Tired of being a gypsy, singing to the break of moon. Two sisters sharing secrets across space. Well, he comes and set me free from this ocean train. Tired of being a gypsy, wandering aimlessly, hurrying to the night breeze on these empty streets. Yeah, come to me as I need. This one needs a brand new one, so wait before you run and shoot for stars. Tired of being a gypsy, singing to the freckled moon. Two sisters sharing secrets in space. Well, he comes and set me free from this rusted chain. Yeah. Tired of being a gypsy, Searching all these broken dreams, a fever of home, every man ever seen. Yeah, catch me if I stumble on your feet. Hey, yeah, this woman needs a brand new one, so wait for you right and shoot for the stars. Tired of being a gypsy, searching all these broken dreams, a fever of home, every man ever seen. Yeah, catch me if I stumble on your feet. This one needs a brand new one, so aim for you right and shoot for the stars. This woman needs a brand new one, so aim for you right and shoot for the stars. This woman needs a brand new one, so aim for you right and shoot for the stars. This woman needs a brand new one, so aim for you right and shoot for the stars. Any Led Zeppelin fan in the house? Any Led Zeppelin fan? Anyone? Led Zeppelin? Ready for Led Zeppelin? Ready to rock and roll with me? Uh-huh. Good. whole lot of love. You want a 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 whole lot of love. Guys, I'm sorry. We're having some technical issues as usual. As usual. Unfortunately, Daringo won't be joining us anymore because his bass is not working. Okay, shit happens, so let's deal with it. Rock and roll, everyone. Rock and roll. It's been a long time since I rock and roll, yeah. Oh, yeah. What happened, Robson? What happened, drummer? ड्रमर से गिटार की मखोन अम्ता ताद्रे अम्ता लेखा पियो मॉनिटर से यार
Kubak. Ahoba Kubak.
This is it. This is it. This is it. Thank you, Sammy and Co. I want to hear a huge round of applause for Sammy and Co. Right, that was mind-blowing, fantabulous performance from Sammy and Co. Shooting up the adrenaline up your spine tonight. That with that performance, of course.
Moina su may hola me do nang na su male hoji. Nang na male. Kishore sang Ahoba Kubak no kubiyo. Ay inaw sige. Thank you. Masu may howe. Yes,
Right,
please.
So, before we call up the next performer, this is a small reminder to all of you that we have the participant of the stage season 2, John Oinam, performing tomorrow at this very stage. Alright, so John Oinam ki performance hayeng miyang tawo pangbigani. Also, we have musical night by Pari Band na sinumay ki thorom amasun lang topigani. And on the last day, the 30th November, we have fashion parade by none other than Silex, who is of course a very renowned designer from Manipur, based out of Mumbai. Mumbai de labor Silex ki adugumba designer ki collection miyang tawo pangbigani. Also, yes, on the last day of Shanghai Festival 27, we will have a musical night to be presented by Blue Bands. Simatang ningsing biyo hay jabatare. Koigi lemhoriba numinini stage na leiba thauram pareng si samlapna ningsing jabani. And also, yes, I must mention one very important thing here, taking this opportunity, that this very stage, this very event is one of a kind hay tare. Ramna rare oiba yamna unique oiba Manipur gi tongan balamdagi lakpa around more than 600 artists na perform tauba dugumba makal gi event amani presented to you by Tamna Sangay and powered by Department of Commerce and Industries. Tamna Sangay kita magtahoba kubam ta sunisagay. Artist Chatruk Hen mana sigumba platforms na perform tauba pangbay basi Manipur gi puwari ni na hay batare. All right, so yes, as you have seen, we have another rock band performing tonight for all of you. But I'm really, really disheartened by the way you guys are receiving this band. Rock music is I want to see your hands up in the air. I want to see your hat banging. All right, that's how you watch. That's how you would witness the rock. All right, so this is, of course, the last performance for tonight, which is called AH1. The name of the band is AH1. All right, do you want me to repeat? Do you want me to repeat? Right, the name of the band performing tonight is AH1. And believe me, guys, the artists of this band are the legendary Manipur gi rock culture. Si Chauna Pukalaki Badugumba Misak Natana Siemba band amani. I'm going to mention some of them. Bands in the Yoriba Mu Krai Maming Panzara with the Mayam Nadum Tabado. Wow. Hi do Alright. Okay, so on drum the Kanakhangi Manipur gi drum the quiet Maming Lebakanano. Momocha! You see that? Yes. And also we have on lead guitar Justine and Gautam. On bass we have Mr. Ringo, which we have just seen. On keyboard also we have Mr. Ajuba. And vocalist, yes, we have a lot of vocalists performing. Mr. Vivek, Mr. Yofang. Also we have Kudai Chauba, you know, if you know that, Kudai Chauba, yes.
Kudai Chauba.
Yeah, Kudai Chauba. Kudai
Very
Chauba.
interesting name.
Yamna top maming amni hai tayo ja.
Yes, yes.
And believe me, guys, this very person, Kudai Chauba, is the only performer, the only rock singer from the journalist fraternity.
Okay.
Koigi pongmi singi maraktagi, maza. Koigi haide rock sakpa dugumba.
Yes, yes.
Yamna top magun le.
Adagi Kishore Chan hoji Pangibada, Momo Macha Haibada. Momo Macha needs no introduction as far as Manipuri rock is concerned in Manipur. Momo Macha si 1979 dagi. Manipuri rock si 79 dagi di hardly kara khatani. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯝ ꯁꯥꯡꯕ ꯈꯥꯛꯄ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯝꯗ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯝꯃꯤ
ꯍꯣꯏ.
ꯕꯠ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯂꯦꯞꯇꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅꯤ commendable ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ
Exactly. ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯁꯨ ꯊꯝꯖꯈꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯃꯥꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯋꯦꯁꯇꯔꯟ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯤꯛ ꯄꯣꯞ ꯄꯨꯈꯠꯄꯤꯔꯛꯏꯁꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯍꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ.
ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯃꯤꯡ ꯄꯟꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯄꯥꯏꯑꯣꯅꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯃꯣꯃꯣꯝꯆꯥ is one of them.
Exactly, one of them. And also, yes, we have a guest vocalist as Mr. Tamoy Hart. All right, so yes, ladies and gentlemen, if I have the signal that the performers are getting ready, presenting is EH1!
Hello.
Right, before that, we would like to listen something from none other than Sir Momocha.
Yes. Sir Momocha ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯔꯣꯛꯀꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯏꯑꯣꯅꯔꯅꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯣꯃꯣꯝꯆꯥꯅ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯒꯅꯤꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ. Once again, a round of applause for Momocha. Please.
Thank you. I
Hello,
mean,
check.
Momo ko kuri ngasi di Momo macha yang untuk pikir. Isai tala kuri na kita nak selake. Okay, thank you. Manipur ki history da adu ki matik miyo na kawai arroy da wa adu sigumba concept amada ngasi akoy gi band AS1 gi akoy gi mayam gi mamang da performance ki damakta min khardo jo khodol tamna bi damakta takpirak ba akoy gi live yam phabani aina tamna chinbi langbi riba adi government manipur ju yam thakajari akoy di thoidona akoy gi manipur da technology ki kaino si name mina kitang akoy gi mamang da huji khong gi ba band da akoy gi technically kitang problem leibedo mayam warok bino akoy na khong da su dum tholok pa yai ado mayam warok bino ado mayam ngasi language gi ba punamakta akoy na akoy gi band gi site ki punamak festival is the yaw riba band gi site ki punamak tagi ikok no na khomjari khurumjari ado aina ngasi wasu matam yam sangna logjeroi akoy na kitang isai khara pijabasi dei sira mayam kaida penbi ba waisano ngasi ki yamna dungai ba numit asida ai khoi gi manak sira yamna tangna phangba poshak ama akoi gi guest oina guest artist oina singer oina ai gi nungsijarba ai gi marup ma masamaksi force laibani DIG ni Manipur and Nagaland gi DIG ni makso akoi gi marakta ngasi pulaga performance tongmina de ni adagi Mr. Yofang and then Mr. Tamoy adagi aroibada aina amu haijaningi sina hadak lakriba December ki tarik ama sida December ki tarik ama that wanda Kamjong da akoina Kamjong Youth Festival ama sinjari masi yamna tangba festival ama oi. This is all indigenous games, food and everything. Sida akoi ge band gi site AS1 hai Asian Highway 1 hai bani. Anana mayam lengbiro kamjong da chu lakpiu. Aina ngasi injury ba PC tangkhul ni ko aduna mayam AS1 loina na lamdam du la leiba sing the leiba akhoi gi nungsijarbe ichil ni naw sing ga punana sak house ga so ma samina raga isai shuta si game su pangkok si punamak akhoi na mafam du da ai gi iram dam da leiba punamak haibedi isa sa gi iram dam da ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯗꯣꯛꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯁꯩ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕ ꯍꯧꯅꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ
모모부 타급자리. Thank you.
ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ 야리고
Check. Hello. How you feeling, guys? How are you, Yarabo? Okay, here we go. A old one. May ton kita ngambil travel. If you wanna get out, you got to take a ride with me. If you wanna get down, down on the ground, okay. Yeah, see the light, see the light, see the light, okay. If you got bad news, you want you don't lose okay. When your thing is done and you wanna ride on okay. Yeah, she don't lie, she don't lie, she don't lie. Okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. If your thing is gone and you wanna ride on, okay. Don't forget this back, watch it go, okay. Yeah, see the light, see the light, see the light, okay. One more time, see the light, see the light, see the light, okay. I'll play the reggae one. I hope everybody know this song. And it's called Knock on Your Heaven's Door. Okay. I hope we'll sing together. All right. Yarbo, Miam, are you ready, guys? Sing with me. Sing with each one, okay? Chalo then. So let me see your hands in the air, guys. So. Take this special of me. I could use it anymore. It's getting dark to see. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Knocking on heaven's door. Come on, singers! Knocking on heaven's door. I still can hear you guys. Knocking on heaven's door. All right. Knocking on heaven's door. Put my guns on the ground. I can shoot him anymore. The black cloud is coming down. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. Are you still with me? Say hey. One more time. Say hey. Say hey. Say hey. Say hey. Yeah. Mom, take this passion for me. I could use it anymore. Yeah. It's getting dark to see. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Sing with me. Yeah. Sing it. Drum की microphone हो पाई थोड़े that's why. I will bear it, okay? And the song is called While My Guitar Gently Weeps. It has been written by a member of the Beatles. It's an old one, but I love it as well. And I hope you love it. I look at you more, see the love that there's feeling. Still my guitar gently weeps. I look in the door and I see it sweeping. Still my guitar gently weeps. How to unfold your love. I don't know how. Nobody told you you are diverted to. And I look at the world, and I know it's turning. I don't know why nobody told you how to unfold your love. I don't know how you are diverted. You are prevented to. And I look at you all, and I see that there's beauty. Still my guitar just for every mistake you must surely be learning. Still my guitar just beware. And this song goes out for the ladies out there. And it's going wonderful going for you. I want to call a brother of mine, Mr. Yoffa, on the stage.
Thank you, Vivek. Can I request Miss Sami to accompany me for this first song? Miss Sami, microphone please, extra. got it, you got it.
Hello, check.
Monitor, monitor.
Our love is alive.
So we begin. Foolishly laying our hearts on the table, stumbling in. Our love is a flame, burning within. Now and then, our light branches, stumbling in.
Thank you, Sami. Thank you. Let's go back through the ages. When marimba rhythm starts to play, hands would swing, names would swing, like the lazy ocean loves the shore. Holy things sway before, like a flower bending in the breeze. Bend with me, sway with it. When we dance, we have a way with me. Stay with me. Sway with me. Other times may be but my eyes see only you. Only you have the magic technique. When you sway, I go weak. I can hear the sound of violin long before it begins. Take me through only you know how. Sway with me, sway me now. Other chances may be on the floor, but my eyes will see only you. Only you have the magic technique. When you sway, I go weak. I can hear the sound of violin long before it begins. Make me feel as only you know how. Sway with me. Sway me now. You know how. Sway with me. Sway me now. Let's do something different, which is nearer to your age now. Hear the shiver in the dark, it's raining in the park, being fine. Sound of the river, you stop and behold everything. A band is blowing Dixie, double fold time. You feel alright when you hear the music ring. The nights get through the sky, but you don't see too many faces. From the down rain, hear the jazz go down. Competition in other places, but the horns keep blowing that sound. Way on down south, way on down south, London town. Freetown, Freetown, George. He knows all the chords. My name is Rhythm, he's the one to make it cry or sing. His bad and old guitar is all he can afford. When it's another line to play the stage. And Harry doesn't mind if it doesn't make the scene. Got a daytime job, he's doing alright. He can play your honky tonk like anything. Saving it out for Friday night. With the Sultans, we got the Sultans all swing. Then the crowd of boys there fooling around in the corner, drunk and dressed in their best brown baggies and the platform shoes. Silver down, about 20 trumpets, playing band. It ain't what they call rock and roll. And the Sultans, yeah, Sultans played Creole. Creole. Then the man who stands right up to the microphone says at last it's a time bell ring. Good night, now it's time to go home. Let's say fast with one more thing. We're the Sultans, we are the Sultans, oh swing. Thank you. Can you have, we have got another fantastic singer. Can you have Kudai Chaub on the stage, please?
Hello. Ma'am, hello. Anta hai biyo ba? Amuk kitang hauna biyo. Hello. Kitang hanna. Thank you. Maya pula. Wow, yeah, yeah. I love you more than I can say. I love you twice, Miss tomorrow, yeah. Love you more than I can say. Oh, yeah, yeah. I miss you more than I can say. Why must my blood sure, yeah. Love you more than I can say. Don't you know I need you so? Oh, tell me please, like I know, yeah. Do you mean to make me cry? Am I just in the game? Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. Love you more than I can say. Love you twice as tomorrow, yeah. Love you more than I can say. Put the high say. Don't you know I need you so? I'll tell the things like I know, yeah. Do you mean to make me cry? In my sin of the game. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. I love you more than I can say. I love you twice this tomorrow, yeah. Love you more than I can say. Love you more than I can say. I love you more than I can say. I love you more than I can say. Mayang kamay daw ke! Sangay ngay ko! Asay dagi mayang pam na ngay ba? Kuday jaw ba? Bauden jaw ba? Hojik pong pong sana tholani. Amte lang thok piro kuday jaw ba? Bauden jaw ba please?
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Kudai Chaub.
like the way you charm the Susan Q. Come on, come on, yeah. Say that you're the truth. Say that you're the truth. Say that you're the true and never leave the blue. Susan Q, come on, yeah. Say that you're the mine. Say that you're the mine. Say that you're the mine, baby, all the time. Susan Q, come on, yeah. Oh, Susan Q. Oh, Susan Q. Baby, I love you. Susan Q. Say that you're the truth. Say that you're the truth. Say that you're the truth and never leave the blue. Susan Q. Oh, Susan Q. Oh, Susan Q. Oh, Susan Q. Baby, I love you. Susan Q. My girl. Yeah. Yeah, Susan Q.
Say I'm signing money, but matam ni drama police na talto ramale na. We'll end with 2 more numbers. I'm sorry. Breaking the This one is called Breaking the Law. My turn the high kind of iron to wear right there. Say something.
Was completely wasted out of working down. All inside is so frustrating as I drift from town to town. Feels down, nobody cares if I live or die. So I might as well begin to put some action in my life. Breaking the law, breaking the law. breaking the law. Someone sold a golden future. I can't even start. I have every promise broken. There's an anger in my heart. You don't know what it's like. You don't have a clue. But if you did, you'll find yourself doing the same thing too. Breaking the law, 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 breaking the law. You don't know what it's like. Breaking the law, 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 breaking the law.
Thank you. One last number for all of my friends out there. This one is called Born to be Wild. For all of you. Yeah! Get your mother running, head on the highway, looking for adventure, whatever comes our way. Yeah, darling, gonna make it happen. Take the world and the love it embrace. Fire all of the guns at one time, explode into space. I'm smoking lightning, heavy metal thunder, racing with the wind, the feeling that I'm under. Yeah, darling, gonna make it happen. Let the world and the love embrace. Fire all of the guns in one time, explode into space. Like a true nature child, we were born to be wild. I can climb so high, I never wanna die. Born to be wild. Born to be wild. Yeah, yeah. for attention. Whatever comes our way, if darling gonna make it happen, take the world and our love in vain. Fire out of the guns at one time, explode into space like the two nations shall. You were born to be wild. I can climb so high, I never wanna die. Born to be wild, born to be wild. Come on. Yeah. Thank you, everybody, and have a very good night. Matam later vanina, then problem nere. Mathang to jorage police na yadre manang dai phane na hai re na upai le jit. Thank you.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, yes, we have been asking for more, but yes, the time has come for us to wind up this event here. Thank you to all those who are present here, and thank you to all those who have been watching this event live on ISTV, Impact TV, and Kuntsen Live. Thank you all. Good night.